Part 13.
Remember when the last time you did that?
Yes. Yeah, but I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Okay.
Hey guys, hey Solvin, and Bobo. I'm actually both of you, Can I go to something go quick?
Okay, we're waiting for you.
Oh, wait, why would Bobo just stay on? Bro, maybe it's just, I don't know. Bro, maybe it's so bad. Look. Why would he do that, Bobo? I just said I'm sorry, okay? Okay? I'll just ignore it.
Yeah, Bobo.
Okay, I just said I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. We're sorry.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But anyways, what do you want to do? Nothing.
Nothing, Bobo. Did you hear me?
Yes, I heard you. So interesting. I said nothing.
What? What are you looking at me?
Nothing. Oh, you Bobo again. Can I just... I wish I could play with you again, Sullivan.
Oh my God! Don't be so weird.
What? Why are you looking at me? Are you mad at me? Or what? No, I'm not mad at you. It's just because... Why would he do that stuff? You should go over there. Come on. But that's the pooping area. I don't want to step on it. Solvin likes to step on it, and that's gross. Oh my God. Well...
You think of yourself.
Whatever, I'll think of myself too.
Just think. Okay?
Whatever, you're just having a boring day.
Of course I'm having a boring day. You know why?
Why?
Because, I just don't understand why would you, like...
That doesn't mean that you're bored, Sullivan. What is your problem?
Nothing. You know what? I wanna fight with you as well. Same
with you.
Yeah.
Hold on, I gotta do something. Hey, wait, I know where you're throwing. Hey! Sullivan!
Sorry. You know that wasn't me, right? And why are you looking at me?
I was just thinking if you did that. How dare you? Ah.
Whatever. Just leave now, or else I'll kick you like this.
Nah, how would he do that? How would he do that?
I'm too big than you.
Exactly, but we're still dogs. But why do we always fight each other?
I don't know.